Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another update for my rolling 5-pan for you guys. Yeah, I finished some products, so I'm able to roll some new things in, so I'm kind of excited to show you guys what the changes are. So let's get started. Okay, where are we gonna start? The first product, I'm just going to start with an empty straight away. I hope, or I think this one is not too surprising. This is the Super Beauty Ginger and Pear Bath and Shower Gel. I was really close to the bottom already last time. I was up here. It took me 2-3 baths and then I was done. It did still take me quite some time. I actually only finished this off yesterday. Even though I thought I would be fine to get this one done. I just didn't take that many baths lately. I don't know why, because sometimes I move to quite a bit of this product quite easily. I take like baths 2 times a week, and now I took 3 baths in like a little over a month even. Yeah, happens, but this one is empty. Then we have my body lotion from Aveeno. This is the Skin Relief Nourishing Lotion, and I have made some nice progress on this one as well. As you can see, I started up here and now I am down to here. So I have a feeling I should be able to get this one finished again if I make sure to keep using it. I don't want the same thing to happen as with that bath and shower gel, but we'll see. I like it, but I noticed that maybe it's a little bit too nourishing, because if I apply this, I do notice that still an hour or so after I've applied it, my body is a little bit sticky. It feels a little sticky on the skin still, but it does sink in at some point. It just takes a little while. But yeah, it is really nice and nourishing, so that is nice. It doesn't have a really particular smell. It's very neutral, but it's nice enough. Okay, next we have a makeup product as well. This was the Rimmel, or is still the Rimmel Apocalyptic Lip Lacquer in Celestial. Have not finished it, but I feel like I'm really close. I'm wearing it right now. As you guys know, the stopper has been taken out. I've been using this non-stop for a little more than a week. But there always is so much more product still in here, especially with the liquid lipsticks, because you don't have to reapply as often. But there definitely are some windows showing through. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see that from there, but I can see through the packaging at the bottom somewhere. So I'm hoping, and I'm really gonna try to have this one finished by next time, because I will have some other products, some other makeup products that I can hopefully roll in at that point as well. So yep, that one not done yet. I know I've been working on that one for quite a while as well, but I have used it, so that's a good thing. Okay, next we have my Image Skincare Aromatic Balancing Facial Cleanser. Also with this one, I was really close to being done. I had it upside down. Forgot where markings are. I was here, but the marking is kind of worn off, and then I was pretty much here. So all the product that was still in here was left in just the top of this. Yeah, it took me 2 days and then it was gone. So yeah, I don't know. It's always kind of annoying when it's like 2 days after, because you could have already rolled something else in, but it's fine. I have a backup of this one already, so I started using that. I like it. It's a good product. It's not too, how do you say that? It doesn't make your skin like pull or feel really dry after using it. It's very neutral in that way as well. So it's a really good product in my opinion. Okay, then I also had a Voya body lotion, Feel the Heat, I think it was called. That helps with kind of soothing your muscles, but I've been telling you guys I don't like it too much, but I try to use it anyway. Turns out my husband really liked it and he finished it and threw it out. So I don't have it to show you guys, but it is finished, so I'm gonna roll it out of this project. So with that one out, it means that I can roll 3 new products in. I've chosen 3 new products, so let's take a quick look at them. First of all, a product that's kind of in the middle of skincare and makeup. This is my finishing spray. This is the Body Shop Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist, which I use to kind of set my makeup and make sure it still looks kind of glowy, even after I've put on a good bit of powder. So I am right now all the way up here, so I've still got quite a way to go. Probably this will take me like 2 or 3 months. I think about 3 months to finish. So it's gonna be in here for a little while, but let's see how I'm gonna do. I love this one. It smells really nice. It has that little bit of a dewy glow that it gives to your skin, as you can probably tell. Like, yeah, some of it is highlighter as well, of course, but and it smells nice. It's rosy, but it's a sweet type of rose, not the really flowery type of rose, because I don't really like that in the product that I spray on my face. So yeah, like that one. A product that I really like as well is this Snow Fairy Shower Gel from Lush. As you guys probably know, this is from their Christmas limited edition. They bring it out every year. It's really, really nice and sweet. It smells really good. And at the moment I have used up about half of this, a little bit less than half maybe. And I love it. I'm using it all the time. Yeah, so that is another one that I'm going to be working on. Already I'm working on. And then another one that I'm going to put in to try and get me to actually use this a little bit more is the Image Skincare Eye Mask. It is the Purifying Probiotic Mask. Probiotic. As you can see, I haven't used too much of it yet. I think I've only used this once, maybe even. And I've had it for over a month at this point. I was pretty much in a routine of actually using a mask, but I think I've been taking less baths, and normally I like to put on a mask when I take a bath. So I think that's why I haven't really done this a whole lot, or even only once, because normally I like putting on a mask and kind of taking care of my skin that way as well. So I want to try and get back into the habit, so I'm hoping that by putting it in this project again, I can actually start to do that and wear a mask a little bit more often again. And yeah, that is the last product. So like I said, I hope I can finish something off for next time, because I have some ideas of new makeup products to roll in a month from now. But if I look at my products, I think, looking at the progress that I've managed to make on this one, I should be able to finish this one off, even though it's a little bit thicker at the bottom than it would be at the top. We'll see. I just have to make sure to actually use this very regularly. And then I'm really, really hoping that I can finish this one off by the next time I update you guys on this project as well. So that will give me room to put in 2 new makeup products at least. For the other products, I don't think I'm gonna have these finished. I'm hoping that for this one I will be like halfway done with what's still left in here. So it will take me 2 months to finish this one off. This one I think probably 3 months. And the mask, I really don't know. It really depends how often I can use it, because it says that you're even allowed to use it 3 to 5 times a week. Now, I normally don't mask 3 to 5 times a week anyway, so if I can use this 2 times a week, I would be happy. So I'm gonna try and do that and see how much progress I make by actually doing that. It gives me better of an idea of like what this product is worth, or if it's worth the money that I spend on it, I guess. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye.